Oh. Oh my god. I changed my avatar. Ready Player 2.
Yes.
Hello, purple guy. Well, how are you so tall?
Because I edited me to be tall. So,
have to delete this recording.
hello, player 2. Okay, so
we're building a boat, or are we gonna load a boat?
want to build a boat that's FNAF related?
Sure.
Okay, what do we build? Let's make a. Hey, how about you make an animatronic? You have paint bucket. Like a tiny little animatronic.
Who should I make?
How about we don't make a boat? It's just a build battle.
Nah.
No? Okay.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay. Paint everything about this boat purple.
Okay.
So you have to make it.
Yeah, I have to make it.
I'll add some other FNAF-y things.
Yes. FNAF-y.
Can I have a knife though?
Knife?
It would go great with my outfit.
William Afton.
Yes, now give me the knife.
I don't have a knife.
You have a knife rack. A sword rack.
Oh, yeah.
Sword is close enough.
Here's your knives, Mr. Afton.
Thank you.
I got my knife.
Okay.
And also, if you try to misbehave, I will shoot you.
Okay, whatever. I shall make.
Okay, yeah.
Hey!
I'm sorry.
What was that for?
Everything.
What do you mean everything? What did I do to you?
Nothing.
No, you're gonna get it with this build.
Literally. What do you mean I'm gonna get it?
This build, I'm just gonna say, is very sharp.
Are you making a knife?
No, I already have one.
Stop it, it hurts. Ah.
I know it hurts.
It hurts so bad. Ah. So I'm making you.
You're making me?
Yes.
I feel so honored.
Stop it, move.
Big cannon go boom.
How did you get that?
It was right here.
I jumped over it.
Oh, wow. Hey, I want to add this thing called a portal.
What's a portal?
Yeah, I got 8.
Yeah.
I can trap you in here.
How does seriously?
I want to try trapping you. Oh,
Okay, get me on the other end.
yeah, it won't work. You know what? I'm going to do something annoying. Hey, that's not purple.
You have to paint it purple.
No! I want purple. I don't have anything purple? Seriously?
Yes.
Purple's the best.
True.
Purple chest. Loot. I steal it.
How to stop it, seriously?
You don't have PvP mode on.
How to seriously? Oh, just bang me.
Okay, stop. I'll bang this. Hey, I have an idea. Put one right here. And then... hey, go back over there.
Okay.
Did it work?
No. Oh, that's move. Get rid of the portals, please.
Okay, fine. Are they annoying?
Yes. What just happened?
I glitched it. I'm just kidding. I didn't do anything. I don't know what to build. I have an egg. Can someone tell me how I got this, please?
Easter update, I think.
Yeah, but like I always had this in my inventory,
And you haven't noticed since today?
I have noticed, but but I don't remember how
what's
I
happening?
got it. Okay. I don't remember how I got this at all. So I can make a nest with a bird in it. How do I add a bird? Perfect.
Perfect legs for you.
Perfect legs. Those are long.
You are long. You are long.
Yeah, you're right. You're kind of short.
No, I'm not long. You're short.
Pretty simple science.
You know science, Mr. Afton?
I've only known how to calculate the sharpness of a knife.
Seriously, Mr. Afton?
Call me William.
Mr. Afton. Okay, I'm sorry, William.
Okay, that's good. But look at my bird.
I've seen it. It's a parrot in a nest.
Make Elizabeth too. That is so annoying. What's that on my stomach?
It's a yellow thing.
No, it isn't. That's green. Oh my god, you have to redo this whole thing, man.
Why?
Look at that bug.
It's hay.
It's going insane.
No, like you are.
Glitch at the sides. What's going through your mind? He's got hippie nails.
No one wants to hear you sing.
Excuse me, I feel deeply insulted.
You should be.
How long is his legs?
How long is your leg?
1, 2,
Are you stalking my legs?
3, 4. Boom. Nah. What?
Okay, let's both go on PvP mode.
No.
If you're confused, right? That's a knife. That's a knife. Mr. Afton, that's a knife. What?
That looks nothing like Shalaki. I don't know. I just made up a name.
Wait, you just made up your knife?
Yeah, I'm gonna change it to maybe Glitch Trap. Nah.
Trap from his,
Yeah, he's like really annoying, so I'm changing.
Look at him with your knife.
That is not a knife. That's a gun.
No, I'm making the sharpness.
That's a gun. That's a gun if I've ever seen one.
That's a knife.
You know what a knife is?
You tried shooting me.
I got launched all the way back here. Well, I want to do that again.
Mr.
Oh no, I didn't mean to click. I didn't mean to click.
Where are you right now?
I'm here.
You really like this gun. I mean, knife. Yeah, I mean cannon gun, don't you?
Yeah.
You kind I'm obsessed.
Maybe I'll consider using this over knives.
What? Mr. Afton.
It's William.
Okay.
How many times have
Wait, did I just call you your non-real name?
What kind of name is that?
Awesome.
My name's William.
Okay, Moss.
Name's William. Ah. Darn it!
What happened?
Look how far away I got launched. I got launched all the way over here.
Wow.
Oh my god. Did it work?
No.
Did I shoot you?
No, you didn't.
Liar. That looks like a T-Rex.
No, I missed.
Hey! What you trying to do here?
Nothing.
You know what?
How to know?
What?
How to don't do that?
Because if we shoot it,
Yeah. How to don't do it, please.
I deleted them. What is this? Whatever it is, it will be fun to blow up.
Wow.
Blowing
Dang
up.
it.
Yeah, my badge is going kind of crazy.
You just shot yours. You just almost shot me.
Okay, color it.
Yeah. I'm coloring you.
I know, color it. I'm gonna make some random I'm not TNT.
TNT.
Some random white thing placing around. Maybe a shoes.
Nadia! Wait. Afton, I mean.
Okay, if I change it. Use wedges for my shoes. You could have saved it!
I don't want to. I don't want to say.
You forgot the jetpacks. You forgot the jetpack.
We just.
Yeah, that was completely useless. Bye guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun building William Afton. I mean me.
Can you
Yeah.
stop recording now?
Why?
Huh?
Okay, fine.
Huh?